Hello, my name is Dave Hart with Advanced Technology and Research Corporation. Today I'm excited to present a game-changing capability for the Navy and Marine Corps, a new large high-speed UAV launch system. I'm here to share how Advanced Technology and Research Corporation is revolutionizing how we deploy unmanned aerial vehicles in operational environments. Let me start by introducing ATR. We're a 150-person company that's been in business for over 50 years with our robotics division specifically focused on naval technology, particularly motion compensation, isolation, and unmanned system launch and recovery. We operate out of a 32,000 square foot facility in Beltsville, Maryland, with additional production and outdoor testing space in Walkersville. We're currently in active SBIR Phase 3 transition on shipboard additive manufacturing, and just recently transitioned to a Phase 3 program for this technology as well. Additionally, we're producing and delivering deploy and retrieve systems for the Navy's Unmanned Influence Sweep System program as a subcontractor to Textron Systems. The Navy and Marine Corps need a new way to launch large UAVs from ships or expeditionary locations to enable rapid generation of affordable mass. This technology is addressing the problem of large and high-speed Group 3 through 5 fixed-wing UAVs, aircraft with maximum takeoff weights of 6,000 pounds that need to reach release velocities of 150 knots. The requirement is for a common launch system that can rapidly launch different types of UAVs with a launch tempo of less than 2 minutes between launch events. The system also needs to be portable for expeditionary use or temporary installation aboard ESB ships. Our expected transition target is PMA 251, the Aircraft Launch and Recovery Equipment Program Office. ATR is developing the first truly common launch system for deployment with any type of fixed-wing UAV below the maximum release energy. Why is this important? Currently, there are only two options for launching large fixed-wing UAVs: runways or rocket-assisted takeoff, known as RADO. Runways drastically limit where large UAVs can be positioned, especially in the Pacific Theater, where distributed operations are critical. RADO, on the other hand, is extremely costly and requires a complicated pyrotechnics logistics chain. It's also difficult and dangerous to use on a ship deck. The Navy wants a method to launch Group 5 UAVs from ships other than aircraft carriers. The Marine Corps is looking for ways to cost-effectively launch large UAVs from expeditionary locations as part of their Manned-Unmanned Teaming Effort, or MUMT. ATR provides a way to rapidly and cost-effectively launch large UAVs. Current launch systems are only effective up to aircraft weights in the hundreds of pounds and are difficult to reset. ATR has engineered a launcher to meet the Navy and Marine Corps needs. The ATR solution is the Runway Independent Launcher, otherwise known as RIL. It is a new capability for high-tempo launch of multiple different types of UAVs from a single system. The core technology is a flywheel-based launch system that efficiently transmits energy into the UAV, allowing rapid reset between launches. It's fully electric, so it can be powered by a field generator or ship's power, making it easily integrate with existing logistics and without the need for pyrotechnics. We've performed significant flight testing on our subscale system. We've successfully launched 100-plus pound UAVs at velocities up to 80 knots, including gas propeller, electric propeller, and jet-powered aircraft. To date, we've completed over 50 successful test flights of 5 different types of UAVs, and we've demonstrated successive launching of multiple types of UAVs, meeting our target turnaround time of less than 2 minutes between launches. Let me give you an update on where we are in development. We completed Phase 2 in July of 2025 with successful flight demonstrations. We're currently performing Phase 2.5 with expected completion in 2027. Phase 2.5 completion will demonstrate a new capability in launching high-speed Group 3 UAVs of over 300 pounds at greater than 150 knots. Following Phase 2.5, we'll develop the full-size Group 5 launcher. Our estimated funding needs for full-size system development are approximately $10 million. Throughout the process, we're conducting ongoing testing and evaluation at subscale with different UAV platforms and continuing to expand the number and size of UAVs that we can cost-effectively launch today. The existing subscale system in itself represents an improvement in capability for both cost per launch and launch tempo over existing system of the same size. The RIL provides an enabling capability for deploying large UAS assets across multiple ship types and expeditionary locations. Let me highlight the economics and operational advantages. The average cost per launch of RADO exceeds $100,000. The average cost per launch of RIL, just the gasoline for the generator, approximately $10. Maintenance costs are low with minimal wear items, mainly bearings and the launch cable. The ROI payback on total system cost happens in less than 25 launches, and the system is designed for thousands of launches before major overhaul or replacement. Compared to pneumatic or hydraulic launchers, we've reduced time between launches from over 30 minutes to less than 2 minutes. The RIL is scalable up to sizes where pneumatics are impractical. At large sizes, the shock loads from pneumatic launch events can actually damage onboard equipment and sensors. The system is also modular and easy to deploy. Our current scale system can be deployed and ready for launch in less than 4 hours as of our last demonstration, but we already have an improved version of that system with a setup time of only 90 minutes. Track length can be scaled up or down based on deployment or UAV requirements. Shorter tracks for ship-based systems, longer tracks for higher speed or more delicate UAVs. Looking at transition beyond Phase 2, we have a planned demonstration for Phase 2.5 at NACAD Lakehurst. The largest testing hurdle is generally UAV flight clearances, which we're working through. We're actively looking for a transition advocate in a specific program office. Historically, launch systems have been tied to individual UAS programs and only serve a single UAV. RIL meets overall Navy goals of commonality, but this means we lack a traditionally defined transition path. We're anticipating transitioning the system to ground-based needs initially, which will help prove the concept and build confidence for shipboard integration. ATR is working with several other UAV manufacturers and industry players. There's a significant opportunity to meet near-term industry needs with both our existing subscale prototype and the Group 3 launcher currently under development and testing. High-speed UAVs designed to be air-launched are prohibitively expensive in testing and development due to manned aircraft costs. Our launcher solves this problem by providing a new capability of ground launch of high-speed Group 3 UAVs. We're also planning to provide launch as a service with the systems we're developing. We have the experience and technical know-how to integrate almost any UAV with the system in a matter of weeks, and our system is highly portable and easy to set up in a morning for flight testing at different locations. ATR is looking to continue development of the launcher at many different sizes and eventually provide a complete catalog of production systems to meet any launch need. We'd like to work with a prime contractor for integration into existing logistics chains, and we're still seeking funding for full-scale Group 5 launcher development. We're also looking for UAV manufacturers with testing and evaluation needs to partner with. We're happy to work together. As more UAVs integrated helps demonstrate our system's adaptability, and ATR can reduce testing costs for UAV manufacturers by rapidly interfacing with a prototype UAV and demonstrating it as a service. Our primary point of contact is Dave Hart. You can reach him via the information on this page. Our company is located in Beltsville, Maryland, and you can find more information at www.atrcorp.com. And if you want to see a launch demonstration, please let us know. We'd be happy to arrange it. The runway independent launcher represents a transformational capability for naval and expeditionary UAV operations. With proven technology, significant cost savings, rapid launch tempo, and the flexibility to launch multiple UAV types from a common system, we're ready to partner with the Navy, Marine Corps, and industry to bring this game-changing capability to the fleet. Thank you for your time.